Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can add a to-do list on an existing note on Pinterest. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. Then, open any of your Pinterest board. After that, tap on the notes icon. Then, open the note in which you want to add the pin. After that, you can find a pin plus button. Tap on it and then select the pin you want to add on your note. Once you're done, tap on the done button. Please keep in mind that you can select multiple pins here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we'll love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.